Hello guys, so we've been asked to simplify 4 whole number 3 over 4 minus 6 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 4 whole number 1 over 5 of 1 whole number 1 over 4. The first action that we must take is to change the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So we have 4 times 4 plus 3 equal 19, and this gives us 19 over 4. 6 times 4 plus 1 equal 25. This gives us 25 over 4. At our denominator, we have 4 times 5 plus 1 equal 21. This gives us 21 over 5. And lastly, we have 1 times 4 plus 1 equal 5. This gives us 5 over 4. Since both numerator and denominator have only one sign, we solve them differently. From the numerator, we get our LCM as 4, while at our denominator off becomes times. Therefore, having an LCM of 4 at our numerator, we proceed to us. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 1 times 19 gives us 19. From 25 over 4, we divide 4 by 4. We have 1. 1 times 25, we have 25. Hence, we have 19 minus 25 over 4 at our numerator. While at our denominator, we have 5 cancel at 5, and we end up having 21 over 4. Proceeding further at our numerator, we have 19 minus 25 equal minus 6. Hence, we have minus 6 over 4 as our new numerator. And our equation becomes minus 6 over 4 divided by 21 over 4. This is also very much the same as minus 6 over 4 divided by 21 over 4. Changing our division to multiplication, we have minus 6 over 4 times 4 divided by 21. 4 cancels out 4, and we end up having minus 6 over 21. We proceed further by dividing both sides of a numerator and denominator by 3, and we end up having minus 2 over 7 as our answer. Thank you.